Hindi kailangan S na you're sewing it, ha? You just try your best to put that one in the middle like this. And then, mag-S na siya. And then, you handle it like a sword. Yan na yung pinaka-end part nyo. Now, you identify the longest part. It's not like the widest part, ha? The longest. So, now, lalagyan nyo ng ganyan. So, the S part, like this. Huwag nyo ilalagay traditional yung taba nandito, ha? You put all of the fat there. So, it's very moist. Okay? Baka maging farm barbecue na tong ano. Okay? So, if you have some fat there, then it's good, ha? Yan, like that. Okay? Until you finish. So, pagka maliit, like this, small one, you continue to do that. That's the process. And then, this one, the fat, like that. Oh. So, the more fat you have there, the more moist it will be. So, taba, like this. So, hindi natin kakainin to ng barbecue ganun. We will take it out like that.